Welcome to the feature video of FleetOS. Suppose you are a fleet owner and you are managing it from 5 different office locations. 1 is primary and 4 are sub-branches. To simplify your fleet operations, you can create each branch as an organization. With the help of FleetOS, the fleet owner can able to monitor and organize his business centrally and digitally. Let's say in A organization, 2 more members are involved in the same project and the owner want to give them access to his vehicle schedules and plans. Owner is inviting people, one as a member and another as a manager. Actually, a member can only view the plans, but the manager can view and edit the plans as well. Now, let's understand all the process with the FleetOS application. On the organization page, first you will get the existing member details. With the help of plus icon, you can create a new organization. Here, you have to give the mandatory details. Organization name, country, telematics username, telematics URL, SIM tracking. For SIM plans, SIM tracking button got automatically enabled if the selection is automatic. Else, owner has to click on the SIM tracking option manually. Checklist, mileage, fuel level and the fragile option is for the driver who is using DRS application. Trip mode. If it's in automatic, automatically another trip will be created once the completion of the existing trip. If it's in manual mode, the owner has to create a trip plan for another trip. Example, in the case of 2 unloading locations, once the first unloading is completed, a plan will be created for another unloading point automatically. With this My Organization tab, you can check the existing organization details and also you can able to edit from this pencil icon here. Now if the fleet owner wants to invite another member to view the plans, then with the help of invite user option, the owner can invite. Just the owner has to give the mail ID of the member and he can choose member or manager and have to click on invite button. The invitation will be sent to his mail ID. For more queries, please contact us through sales@vamosys.com or marketing@vamosys.com. Thank you.